Hello everyone, welcome you all to the digital electronics class. So today we will be having session 4 of unit 3 Boolean algebra and logic gates. These are the contents of today's session. Here in this session we are going to learn the next types of logic gates: NAND, NOR and XOR, their definition, symbol, Boolean equation, truth table and working of these logic gates. In the earlier session we have discussed the basic logic gates like AND gate, NOT gate and OR gate. So the next set of gates are NAND, NOR and XOR gates. So these gates are called as derived gates. Why these are called as derived gates? Because we can derive these gates with the help of the basic gates. I can derive the NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate using either NAND or AND gate or its combination. So that's why these gates are called as derived gates. So remember, basic gates are only 3: NOT gate, OR gate and AND gate, whereas the NAND and NOR and XOR and one more gate is there, XNOR gate. So they are called as derived gates. So first we shall take what do you mean by a NAND gate. So NAND stands for NOT plus AND operation. So remember, here we already know the AND operation, and if you add a NOT gate along with the AND gate, or if you add a NOT gate to the AND gate, then it forms a NAND gate, the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. You can observe the diagram here. This is the AND gate. You neglect this part. We know the word how the AND gate we have to write. So this is how we are going to write the AND gate, AND gate. It contains two inputs, and to the output of the AND gate I will connect one inverter, or one NOT gate is connected, and this is the final output we are going to take. This is the intermediate output and this is the final output. So AND gate plus NOT gate forms a NAND gate. So how to write the NAND gate now? You write the AND gate, add one bubble here. You can observe here bubble is there here in this case. In this part bubble is there, one small circle, we call this as a bubble. So if you add a bubble to the AND gate, you write the AND gate as it is, add a bubble, then it forms a NAND gate, we call. That is nothing but AND gate plus NOT gate. NAND gate operation is logically expressed as, how to express the operation of NAND gate? It is nothing but A NAND with B. Or I can also write this is equal to y is equal to AB whole bar. So what we have done, it contains two inputs. A is the one input and B is the another input. First we need to perform the AND operation. AND operation andre ನಾವು ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ AB ಬರಿಬೇಕು. That is the AND operation. Again along with the AND operation what is there, we need to do the NOT operation. NOT ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಬಾರ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, A AND with B ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ AB, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ AB. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಟು ದ ನಾಟ್ ಗೇಟ್, AB ಇಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್. ಸೊ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾರ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ A ಬಾರ್ ಬರಿತೀರಾ, B ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ B ಬಾರ್ ಬರಿತೀರಾ, C ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ C ಬಾರ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. Similarly, what is the input here? AB is the input. Therefore, what is the output? AB bar. For the total input, you have to write the output. Now, I can write AB is the input. So, I can write this is equal to AB bar, AB whole bar. So, this is the final output of the NAND gate. So, I can write AND. AB is nothing but the AND operation, and this is nothing but the NOT operation. AND plus NOT forms a NAND gate, or the NAND operation we call. This is how we can write mathematically the operation of the NAND gate. Y is equal to AB whole bar. Instead of writing A dot B whole bar, simply I can write AB whole bar. Both are one and the same. Now we shall see the truth table of the NAND gate. The output of the NAND gate is logic 0 when all of its input are a logic 1. For all other input combination, the output is logic 1. So the output of the NAND gate is exactly opposite to our AND gate. So AND gate ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ, you forget about this NAND gate, you first remember AND gate. What is the output of the AND gate? So I will write the output of the AND gate here. I know the AND operation, that is nothing but AB. AB is the AND operation. So AND operation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, when both the inputs are 1, then only the output is 1. ಎರಡು 1 1 ಇದೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 1 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ then only the output is 1. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ನಮಗೆ 0 ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಗೇಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ನ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್, ಯು ಡೂ ದ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಾರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎ ಬಿ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಇದನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 0, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1. Inverse of this 0 is 1, inverse of this 0 is 1, and inverse of 1 is 0. So this is how you are going to remember the NAND gate. So remember, for the AND gate ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು 1 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ NAND ಗೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅದ್ರ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರಬೇಕು. therefore this is nothing but 0. when both are 1 1, then only the output is 0. for all other combination it is 1. because in the AND gate, for all other combination the output is 0. That's why exactly reverse you should get here. So this is how you are going to remember the truth table of the NAND gate. So how to remember? Once again I will tell you. In case of AND gate, when both the inputs are 1 1, then only the output is 1. But it is the NAND gate. So you need to complement that one. What is the complement of 1? It is nothing but 0. ಇದು 0 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ that is how you are going to remember the NAND gate output. Next we shall have the NOR gate. So how we have the AND gate, in the same way we are having NOR gate. So NOR gate is a combination of NOT and OR gate. So OR gate is there and you add one more NOT gate to it. So this forms a NOR gate, that is nothing but NOT plus OR. You can observe here, OR gate is there. To the output of the OR gate, I will going to add one inverter or one NOT gate I will going to add. So this forms a NOR gate. So how to represent NOR gate here? You write the OR gate and one bubble you add here. So this is nothing but the bubble that we have added. By adding this bubble, I can able to represent the entire gate as a NOR gate. That is OR gate plus NOT. This OR gate. Bubble is nothing but the NOT gate. OR plus NOT forms NOR gate. And mathematically we can write y is equal to a NOR with b. So how to write it in terms of operator? That is nothing but a plus b. What is a plus b? A plus b is the output of the OR gate along with whole bar you have to write. So suppose if you take this here, this is the OR gate. What is the output of this gate? This gate is nothing but a plus b. It is nothing but the OR operation. A plus b it is OR operation. So what the NOT gate will do? Whatever the input you are going to give, that should be inverted. So that is nothing. What is the input here? The input is nothing but a plus b. The entire input you have to write down. ಬರೀ a ಅಥವಾ ಬರೀ b ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡೂ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. It is nothing but a plus b. To whole bar you have to write. You take one input and write one bar above the input. That is nothing but a plus b is the input, a plus b whole bar is the output. Therefore OR operation plus NOT operation forms NOR operation. So we call this as the NOR gate. Now you can observe the truth table of the NOR gate here. The output of the NOR gate is logic 1 when all of its inputs are logic 0. For all other input combinations, the output is a logic 0. So how to remember this table now? So here it is given, the output of the NOR gate is 1 when all of its inputs are 0. ಎರಡು input 0 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ output 1, ಉಳಿದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Again, how to remember this table? Don't remember this table, you remember the OR gate table. We know for the OR gate, what is the output? I know the mathematical equation for OR gate is, it is nothing but a plus b. So for the OR gate I know, when both are 0 0, output is 0. For all other combination, the output is 1. This is for OR gate. Now what is NOR gate? You have to complement this one. ಇದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಾರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So complement the entire thing. That is 0 complement is 1 and 1 complement is nothing but 0. So this is how you are going to write the truth table of the NOR gate. So remember, for the OR gate, when both are 0 0, output is 0. So complement of that 0 is 1. And for all other case, the output is 1 and the complement of 1 is nothing but 0. So this is how we can able to remember the truth table of the NOR gate. So next type of gate is the XOR gate. So this XOR gate is called as the exclusive OR gate. This is the full form of XOR gate, exclusive OR gate. Commonly written as XOR gate or XOR gate. EXOR ಅಂತನಾದರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ XOR ಅಂತನಾದರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. Is a 2 input and 1 output gate. It is commonly a 2 input and 1 output. And it doesn't mean that it should have only 2 inputs. It can have more than 2 inputs also. But commonly it will have 2 inputs and 1 output gate. ಎರಡು input ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 1 output ಇರುತ್ತೆ. The output of a 2 input XOR gate is expressed by. So XOR gate symbolically represent ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? ಇದು OR gate symbol. Suppose if you take only this one, OR gate. OR gate one more curve like structure you have to write. This is nothing but the curve like line. So this curve like line you have to write. Okay, and you add the input here. A is the input and B is the second input. So how to represent mathematically XOR operation? That is nothing but y is equal to a XOR with b. You observe the symbol. This is the XOR symbol. Plus and circle. This is called as the modulo operator. Modulus operator we call. Modulo plus with circle. So mathematically we can write y is equal to a XOR with b, or I can write y is equal to a XOR symbol with b, or this is also equal to y is equal to a bar b plus a b bar. You can observe here, ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಿಗೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಆರ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಎ ಬಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎ ಬಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬಾರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಿಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಬಾರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ XOR operation. So y is equal to a bar b plus a b bar. This is the XOR operation, or I can simply write a XOR operator with b. And this is the symbol used. It is very similar to that of the OR gate, but one more curve like line you have to write before this OR gate, and it contains two inputs, and the output is a XOR with b. Suppose if you have three inputs like a, b, c, then how to write the output? A XOR with b, again XOR with c, again XOR with c here. So this is how, this is XOR symbol plus with circle, a XOR with b XOR with c. Similarly you can write one more input is there, d anta innond input ittu, then how do you write? A XOR with b XOR with c XOR with d. This is how we are going to write the mathematical equation. Now we shall take the XOR gate truth table. So to write the truth table for the XOR gate. See, the output of the XOR gate is logic 1 when the inputs are different, and logic 0 when the inputs are same. Inputs ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದೆನ್ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 0. ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು? ನಾವು ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್, XOR symbol, a XOR with b, or I can write y is equal to a XOR with b, or you can simply write only y. Instead of writing these things, you simply write y. Y is the output. Now ಎರಡು 0 0 ಇದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು 0ನೇ, ಇದು ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಸಿಂಬಲ್, ದೆನ್ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0. ಅಗೇನ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, 1 1, ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, 1 0 ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು 1 ಇದೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1 0 ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು 1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್, ವೆನ್ ದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1. ವೆನ್ ದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್, output is 0. That is what it is given here. The logic 1, the output is logic 1 when the inputs are different. Inputs different ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, therefore the output is 1. When the inputs are same, the output is logic 0. 1 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು, ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು 0 0 ಇದ್ರೆ output is 0. This is how we are going to remember the XOR gate truth table. So coming to the summary of this session, in this session we learned the logic gates. Those are the derived logic gates actually we call. NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR. NAND is a combination of AND and NOT. NOR is a combination of OR and NOT. Definition, symbol, Boolean equation. Boolean equation is nothing but the mathematical equation, truth table, and its working. Now we shall have some of the MCQs. The output of the NAND gate is 0 if all the inputs are 0, all the inputs are 1, any one input is 0, any one input is 1. So remember, it is asked for the NAND gate. NAND gate ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್. ನ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇಟಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲ್ಲ 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1, ಆಲ್ 1. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎರಡು 1 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1. ಯಾವ್ದು ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಎರಡು 0 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು 1 0 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿರೋದೇನು? ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0 ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು 1 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 1ನ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಾಟ್, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 0 ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್? ನ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ output of the AND gate is 1, whereas the output of NAND gate is 0. Exactly complement it is. Therefore all the inputs are 1. Therefore the correct answer is option B. The output of NOR gate is 1. ಈಗ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ NOR gate ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. If it is 1 when all the inputs are 0, all the inputs are 1, any one input is 0, any one input is 1. Now for the NOR gate you have to divide again. OR gate ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. What is OR gate now? ಎರಡು 0 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು 0 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1. ಯಾರ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಏನಾದರೂ 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ, 0 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ, 1 0 ಇದ್ದರೆ, 1 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 1. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್? ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1. ಇದನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್. ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1. ನಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ 1 ಬಂತು ಯಾವಾಗ? ವೆನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 0. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆರ್ ಗೇಟಿನ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವೆರ್ ದ ನಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಈಸ್ exactly opposite to that of our OR gate, or complement of the OR gate. So this becomes 1 now. So when all the inputs are 0, therefore the correct answer is option A. The output of XOR gate is 1. XOR gate output yavag 1 barutte if the inputs are same, inputs are different, either A or B, both A and B. We know that for the XOR gate, the output of the XOR gate is 1 when the inputs are different. ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. therefore the correct answer is option B. The NOR gate is a combination of not plus or, not plus and, not plus and plus or, none. We know that what is NOR? N stands for not, OR stands for OR gate. That is the combination of NOT and OR gate. Therefore option A is the correct answer. XOR gate is extra OR gate, executive OR gate, exclusive OR gate, and XS OR gate. You know, this X stands for EX. X stands for exclusive OR gate. The correct answer is option C, exclusive. EX stands for exclusive OR gate. So this is the end of the session. Thank you.